Okay, this is Xiaomi 11T. Xiaomi 11T. Okay. I have updated this to the latest MIUI. Yeah, you can see this one. This is the latest one. Okay. Yeah. And now this is the DJI Mini 2 remote. Yeah. Before I use this one, I used the Redmi Note 10 Pro with the Snapdragon SoC. Yeah. There is a running well with this remote. Now when I have changed to the Xiaomi 11T with the Dimensity 1200, I don't know. Okay, there is something wrong with this connection. This is a USB original from the DJI. Okay, I have connected here. Connected, okay, this remote. There's automatic charge. Okay, you can see. Repeatedly show the incompatible connection like this. Okay, let's try to turn off. Now I open the DJI apps manually. Okay, this is a USB-C to USB-C connection with the original one. Yeah, I have also tried with another cable, still the same. Okay, now I turn on. Yeah, you can hear the connection sound. You see? Oop. How about this Xiaomi? I don't know. Do you have any idea what this problem with the Xiaomi 11T? I don't think so. Okay, now I try to switch on the drone while this error comes. Okay, I switch on. Switch on. Switch on ya. The problem is the repeatedly disconnected. I don't know why. It happened with only on Xiaomi 11T. I try with another device, the same device, Xiaomi 11T at your showroom, still the same. How about that? How about you guys? If you have any problem with this one also, you can send a comment below. For your attention, for your info, the DJI firmware also have the latest update. I have updated with the Apple device. With the Apple device, there is nothing happen like this normal. Only with this device. I see not connected. You can see. Now it's shown often. On and off, on and off, on and off. So I want to hear what the answer from the Xiaomi side. I'm looking forward